to Nursing Recipe. Woo! My name is Courage Isielika, and I'm excited to be doing another video. Please do well to subscribe, do well to like, and do well to share. So let's get right into it. So remember that in our previous video we have talked about mental health. Now we're going to talk about mental hygiene. So first of all, what is mental hygiene? Mental hygiene is a science that deals with the production of attaining mental health and preserving mental health in a society. There are different people that define mental health, but I want to define mental health by Klein. He says that it's a mental hygiene is an endeavor to aid people to ward off trouble as well as to furnish a way of handling trouble in intelligent fashion when it cannot be warded off. Mental hygiene means mental health. It's very important for us to note that. So let's highlight it. So mental hygiene does what? It means what? Mental health. And that is why we can say that mental hygiene is a means and mental hygiene is a means and mental health is the what? Is the end. Does that make sense? Mental hygiene is the means and mental health is the what? Is the end. Factors that affect mental health. We have prevention or preventive. This is the most important factor of the mental health to prevent what? Mental health troubles or problems. Those are prevention or preventive. Then creative, another functional mental illness is to develop programs like counseling, psychotherapy to treat an individual or a group or to treat a mental patient. Preventive, preservative. We talked about preventive, we talked about creative. Now we're going to be talking about preservative. Not all people are mentally ill. Rather some of them possesses sound mental health. So the the function is to do what? Is to develop programs through education to preserve mental health. The next one is through what? Training. I think there's a mistake here. It's supposed to be, oh no, making look of mistake. Sorry. It's supposed to be, sorry, hold on. Let's do this. We're going to clean this out. What's supposed to be? It's supposed, sorry. It's supposed to be um functions function of mental hygiene. I think that's what's supposed to be. I'm so sorry. That's a mistake from my end. So we have training. Training is another function of mental hygiene, and is to train a set of personnel who can help the people with psychological problems by telling them to understand their problem and then help them to meet their needs. These are what training. And that's all for mental hygiene. I told you it's going to be a very short video. So please do well to like, do well to subscribe,